Deep cleaning on Asus P1510CDA-EJ894TS laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Danica, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing your laptop for deep cleaning is a wise and practical decision that contributes to its overall performance, reliability, and longevity over time. Laptops accumulate dust, dirt, and debris within their internal components, particularly in the cooling system, vents, and fans. This buildup can block airflow, leading to overheating, which negatively impacts performance and may cause long-term damage. Critical components like the processor, GPU, or motherboard. A professional deep cleaning ensures that all internal areas are thoroughly cleaned using specialized tools and techniques, restoring proper airflow and preventing thermal throttling. By keeping your laptop running at an optimal temperature, deep cleaning not only enhances its current performance, but also reduces the risk of hardware failure caused by heat stress. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.